Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to read about electric power. What is that? You might have read in our ninth class what is power. Power is simply the rate of doing work. But now we have to read about the electric power. Electric power is simply work done is the work done per unit time by source of EMF, electromotive force. That source of EMF may be a battery like battery or cell, battery oblique cell to maintain maintain electric current in the circuit is called electric power. So simply work done. How much work is done in unit time? So we have to take care that in unit time, how much work is done by source of EMF, by battery, by cell. So that once the work is done, then definitely there will be a current in the circuit, and that very thing is called as the electric power. If we know that we're having a current I flowing through a resistance R and V is the potential difference. If I is current, R is the resistance, R resistance, and let V be the potential difference. If V be the potential difference, then there might be flow of charge. Then there will be flow of charge as I is the current and it equals Q by T. So once the current I flows and there is a resistance of the material through which the current flows, let V be the potential difference. If V is the potential difference, let we will say Q is the charge flowing. Then let Q be charge flowing in time t. So then work done in moving the charge through the potential difference V. Then work done because the battery, the source of EMF, that's the battery or cell, it has to maintain the current, it has to make the charge flow from one end to another. Then the work done by that battery is equal to W Q into V, where V is its potential difference and Q is its charge as from definition. But as we have written already, work done per unit time by the source of battery or cell to maintain a current in the circuit is called electric power. Then we can say P equals W over T, or instead of W we will put Q into V over T. But we can put it like this: Q over T, as there's a current I, we know Q over T into V by Q by T, that is simply I, that is I into V, or simply power comes out to be V into I. Thus electric power is defined as, we can here also define electric power as a product of voltage into the current flowing through the circuit. If you were going to choose here unit, the unit of power is the for work, it is joule, for time it is second, joule per second, that's called as the watt. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. That is the unit for power, but here we can have unit for power as volt ampere. Volt ampere is the unit of power, or simply VA. That is the unit of power. So 1 watt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere. We can have another many forms of the power. The first two you should go through it. I'm saying simply power is defined as amount of work done in unit time. This is the definition of power. But we are having a circuit. For that very circuit, there is some resistance or there will be current. We have to apply a battery or cell having voltage V. And once the current will flow, then definitely there is charge flowing in some time t, because current is defined as the flow of charge. Then I can write here W is equal to Q into V. From power, P equals W by T. Instead of W, we'll put Q into V by T. By Q by T, that's I into V. Or simply P is equal to V into I. The unit of power is watt. We can say power is said to be 1 watt when 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. Our power is said to be 1 watt when a potential difference of 1 volt is applied, so that current in the circuit is 1 ampere. You can have bigger units of power: 1 kilowatt, 1 megawatt, 1 kilowatt. That will be kilo, or 1 kilo. Instead of watt, we can put volt ampere. That it will be simply 10 raised power 3 watt. 1 megawatt, mostly used to 1 megawatt, is 10 raised power 6 watt. We have to, there can be many forms of this very power, as P equals to now V into I, the product of voltage into current, but V is equal to IR from Ohm's law. So we can have here P equals to, instead of V we can put I, it will be I square R. This is one of the form. One form is like this, another form is like this. We can have another form also, as P equals to V into I. Now P equals to, just place V there, instead of I we will put it V by R, so we will get V square by R. This is another form. So simply we can have power equals to V into I equals to I square R equals to V square by R is equal to work by time. That is regarding the power. Our most commercial unit of the power that we have seen, 1 horsepower. 1 horsepower, that is the commercial unit, practical unit of power. Sometimes you go in the market and that's use 1 horsepower motor. That is 1 horsepower 746 watt, which is less than 1 kilowatt, because 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt, 1 horsepower is 746 watt. Sometimes asked in the examination, 1 horsepower is 746 watt. This is all for today. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.